Barbarecki Business Breakfast began after I learnt about the benefits of networking and how important it is for small businesses, especially in a regional area. Each person is given a couple of minutes to introduce themselves and their business and what the latest thing is that they want to promote, or they may ask a question or seek some leads. I give the business breakfasts a theme and have a local expert guest speaker to present an informative short seminar. What people get out of the breakfasts is varied.
Hi, I'm Jamie from Busting Out and House of Phoenix 11. The Barbarecki business meetings are very inspirational and motivational.
Hi, I'm Dee. I've been coming to Natasha's business breakfast ever since she began. I get a tremendous amount of confidence and motivation to run my own small business, which is Natural Vision Improvement, which I teach all around the world. I love meeting the people who come to Natasha's Barbarecki business breakfast, and I'm really grateful to Natasha for showcasing these things.
Hi, my name's Max, known as the internet go-to guy in the Northern Rivers area. This is my first Barbarecki breakfast and it was rewarding.
I'm Russell from Web2 Traffic Strategies. I've been coming to the Barbarecki Business Networking Breakfast for about 4 months now, both to the UKI event and the Fingal event, and I find them really exciting because I get to mix with other like-minded business people.
Hi, I'm Gerald, the marketing advisor, and I come to the Barbarecki breakfasts for a year now. They keep me in touch with my clients and I find new clients here.
Hi, my name's Gary. I've been attending the Barbarecki Business Breakfast for quite some time now and it's really been excellent, meeting lots of wonderful people in the area. A lot of the connections that I've made so far through these networking breakfasts have really developed in some great business relationships. I highly recommend joining in and coming along on a regular basis.
Hi, I'm Tessa from Mount Warning Springwater. I'm here to let you know that I've attended the Barbarecki Business Breakfast on a regular basis, both in UKI and Fingal, and just want to let you know that they're of great quality. I've learnt a lot. There's top-notch information being shared to build business relationships, so I highly recommend them. Thank you, Natasha.
Hi, I'm Natasha Wernick, and my Barbarecki Business networking events happen once a month. They happen at UKI Cafe on the third Thursday of every month, and on the third Friday they happen at Studio 44 Art Space. Every month we have a very inspirational speaker and great energy and people that come from all different kinds of businesses. Come along, meet people, be informed, get motivated and have fun. Check out my website and my newsletter for more of what Barbarecki Business offers, and I look forward to seeing you.
Mm-hmm.